fall. Special K chocolate and strawberry. A delicious secret worth knowing.
Down. Down. Dear Boogie. Dear Boogie. Run down.
I had no idea. My phone was in my pocket and I had it on vibrate.
There you go. Down.
Thank you.
Well, the doctor says with a lot of hard work, you may be able to walk again someday.
Yeah, they're very
Down.
upbeat and optimistic. I want to run them over with this chair. Why are you here?
Well, I've been through a lot lately, but
Down.
I decided it would be best for you to come home so I can take care of you.
Down. Come on.
Yes, I'd rather be cared for by a excellent helper monkey.
Orson, I know you're angry, but I'm still your wife.
Well, we have very different definitions of the word wife.
Down.
I'm proceeding.
Oh.
3 weeks ago, you were begging me for another chance. What happened?
Carl Meyer happened. I could forgive you if you betrayed me with anyone remotely admirable, but you chose
Down.
the
Go.
most contemptible man I've ever known. No.
Come on. Down. 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 Down.
Turned the downstairs sitting into your bedroom. You're coming home where you belong, and that's all there is to it. You're going to start forgiving me, and I'll start forgiving you.
Suggestion first.
I don't understand. How could you not know you're Mexican? We met